These logs right here, they need to be over there by my sawmill. You and I both know that I'm really tall, handsome, really muscular and strong, but even I need help moving a pile of logs like this.
Are you okay?
Just threw up in my mouth a little bit.
In this video, I'm going to show you some of my techniques and tools that I use to be able to get that job done. The first tool in our arsenal is the cant hook, or as I like to call it, the can-do hook. This thing has seen better days. It needs a little repair work, but basically this thing gives me leverage so I can move a log without being in front of it or on top of it. Let's see what we can do. Just like that. Let it bite in, and then you have leverage. The can-do hook.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
This is the next tool in our toolbox. This is a logging trailer that I built out of scrap metal. I've got a video if you want to watch that. It's got big old truck tires, so this thing can go pretty much anywhere. And we've got these logging tongs. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in them. I love these things. We'll see them again soon. I've got a big logging chain, and all I do is wrap one up here and one back there. The beauty is this is just a pair of logging tongs on a chain hoist. Now all I do is lower it.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Chasing on a sleepless night.
As you can see, this log is very secure. It's just biting up against these chains, so it's just opposing pressure. That's all that's going on.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Now all we gotta do is just drop it on the ground.
When the sun rises, when the sun
When them logs are being real stubborn, we've got our secret weapon, Kubota L2800 subcompact tractor with a front end loader and this cool thing back here. Let me show you. This thing right here, it came off my grandpa's old tractor. This is the real secret weapon. I honestly don't even know what it's called. Dinger pole, boom, jib, I don't know. But what it does is it allows us to use our logging tongs again and pick up our logs. Let me show you. that's one way to use those logging tongs, and I really enjoy that. But there's another way with the tractor that works really good with the sawmill. Let me show you that. And I want this to actually sit this direction versus the way that it was. So to do that, what I have to do is feed this through here. All right, just like that, and we're ready to go. So there you go. That's how I move logs. You know I am very good looking, very tall, very strong. But it's nice to have equipment and tools because I don't want to lift every log by hand. And that is how you move a log from there to here.